Girl with Ariel. I'm Ariel. You guys are amazing and thank you for joining my video today. I'm so excited for today's video, so stay tuned. So for today's video, I wanted to show you how to make popcorn with a Whirley Pop. I am so beyond excited. I got this for Christmas and I've been using it like literally every day since. It's amazing and I love it so much. So let's get started.
Hi guys, so this is what you're going to need for the Whirley Pop, and I have this really cool packet that comes with it all prepared, but you don't have to have the packet. So basically what you need is popcorn kernels for popping corn, and then seasoned salt, and then coconut oil or like popcorn popping oil. So in this packet it comes with seasoned salt. As you can see that I just cut out and poured out because the seasoned salt is just way too salty if you use that whole packet. And then this is coconut oil with butter flavoring. And so basically I just put half of the popcorn kernels and half of the coconut oil into this container, and then the seasoned salt, which I poured into this other storage container, I get a 1/4 teaspoon, and I just put that much into the pot as well. And you could put a little bit more if you like more flavoring. So yeah, basically you don't have to have those packets like that, but it's really cool that it comes together and it's super easy. But yeah, you could also just get all the ingredients separate. I have used just plain regular coconut oil. That's healthy. That tastes amazing as well as vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil. Yeah, so anyways, back to the thing at hand. So after you put all the stuff into the Whirley Pop, you're going to close it, turn it on to medium-high heat, and basically you're just going to hold this handle and twirl it. Twirl it and keep twirling it. It's not going to take long, maybe like about 3 minutes, but it goes really fast. And if you have ever tried to make homemade popcorn on the stovetop with a pot, let me tell you, this is a lifesaver, because on the pot, it's not hard at all, but you literally have to like hold the pot and shake the pot constantly. And so like that is like a lot of work. Whereas this, you just hold the thing and spin the handle, and it's really easy. I love homemade popcorn. Homemade popcorn is so much better for you than microwave popcorn. And plus it just tastes amazing. And plus you don't have to have all the chemically seasoning stuff in it. You could literally just have salt and that's it. And you don't have to have that much. So it's way healthier if you home pop it, if that makes sense. Homemade popcorn. And so I absolutely love this Whirley Pop. It is so amazing. I literally use this like at least twice a day because popcorn is my go-to snack. Yes, guys, if I was on a desert island, I would have popcorn. That's my snack. But yeah. So basically all you do is hold the handle, twirl the little thingy, and eventually you see the steam rising, and see, look, the popcorn is popping. And then you turn off the heat, and you're going to need an oven mitt. Important to hold down 1/2 of the lid. If you do not, then it will all explode out when you try to pour it out. So hold down 1/2 as you pour it out. And look at this amazing, delicious popcorn. Can't you just smell it from here? Oh, it's so good. Thanks, guys.
Up close and personal with the Whirley Pop. I love it so much. Guys, it's finished. Look at this. Oh, delicious popcorn. And we're about to go watch some TV shows and movies, and you guys are about to watch us on our bike ride earlier. So enjoy the bike ride montage. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your popcorn. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to smile, sparkle, shine. Bye.